Welcome to the Knit and Kitten channel. I just wanted to make a video and show you all what I've been working on lately. It's not a knitting project, it's a crochet project, and what I've been doing is making granny squares, and I'm gonna put them all together into a huge blanket for my bed, big bedspread. So I probably need to make, I think, over 200 squares. So I'm just going to show you some of the examples that I've been working on. Each one is like a different pattern for each color. So there's that one, and I'll put up some pictures too so you can see them better, because since they're like a variegated yarn, it's kind of hard to see the pattern. This one you can see pretty good. There's that one. And I don't really know the names of them all. Some of them I got off of other YouTube videos and just kind of followed their tutorials. But I had to adjust most of them to make them the right size, because all of my squares need to be around 5.5 inches. Just so they're all the same size and they can all like fit together. And I'm gonna do like a border in between each square. So leave in the comments below what color you think I should use for the border, because I'm gonna have to order some of that yarn. But this is a way that you can use up your yarn scraps. This is just like, I had a bunch of this size yarn. It's like fingering weight, sock weight yarn. And most of it's merino wool superwash. So I'm hoping it works well in a blanket. I think I showed you the purple one. There's this one too. And like I said, I'll put up some pictures to show you guys. But if you're interested in any of these patterns, I'm gonna do a tutorial for each one that I've done so far. And then I'm also going to continue on making more, and I'll do video tutorials for those ones too. This one's just totally like a plain granny square pattern. It's just like basic granny square, I guess is what you would call it. This one's more like a square. And they're all like variegated yarns, because this is the kind of yarn that I have. It's just all multicolored variegated yarn. And I'll show you more of the yarn that I'm going to use. I think I showed you all the squares that I've made so far. So there's this squarish one, multicolored square. There's the purple one that looks like kind of a flower. I think this one's like a chrysanthemum or something. I can't remember the name of it. I'll look it up for you guys. And then that one's the basic. This one is actually my own design, just cause I wanted to try to do my own thing. And then this one's also kind of like a little flower, and it's kind of a net. Flower net is what we'll call that one. I'm not sure what this one's called, but it looks really cool. It's almost like a wheel or something. It reminded me of like ocean waves somehow. And then this one's another flower. So yeah, those are all the ones that I've done so far. And then I already showed you like this color yarn I have. So I'm gonna do another one with that. There's more. And these are just probably what I'm gonna use for the blanket. Yeah, like this one will tie in this color and some of the other colors. I'm trying to kind of make it all not match perfectly, but be similar enough, like have similar enough colors in it. I really like this one. It has a lot of like orange and purple and bolts. This one's, I don't know if I'm gonna use this one. It's a little weird. It's a little bright and a little bit like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like not perfectly uniform. Like this one is like nice and uniform, whereas this one has like bumpy parts in it, which I guess you can't really tell. it's okay. There's another one that's green and pinks. And so yeah, I have a lot of yarn left to do. And we're gonna make a lot of fun squares. And yes, you can follow along with my tutorial for any of the granny squares, and you can make blankets or purses or bags or tops or whatever you think would be good to use granny squares for. But I really love some of these patterns that I've been making, and I really want to like share with you how I did it. So I guess that's it. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these granny square tutorials. And I've already recorded one. I haven't done, I have to record a voiceover for it because my son was being loud in the background while I was recording it. But it was for, nope, it was for this one. So this will probably be my first one that I post. So if you're interested in learning how to crochet this little cutie, that'll be my first video. And then this one's gonna be my second one because this is the square that I just started. It's like a Celtic cross. I don't know if you can see, maybe with my skin color behind it, you can see it. But anyway, yeah. So that's what I've been working on. And yeah, subscribe and like and follow and all that stuff. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.